それでは皆さん, I'm going to start off introducing some of our new concepts from our last chapter of Japanese 1020, chapter 12. So the first new concept that we are going to talk about in this chapter is this. Let's take a look at some situations. So we can see this person. She seems really happy. She's very excited about something. I wonder what she's so happy about. We can ask her, どうしたんですか? What's up? What's going on? What are you so happy about? どうしたんですか? 明日から旅行に行くんです。明日から旅行に行くんです。So starting tomorrow, I'm going on a trip. 旅行に行くんです。How about this person? She looks really tense. I wonder what's up with her. We can ask. どうしたんですか? 緊張しているんです。緊張しているんです。She is nervous. 緊張しているんです。How about this person? He looks really sad. どうしたんですか? What's the matter? 彼女と別れたんです。彼女と別れたんです。He broke up with his girlfriend. 彼女と別れたんです。そう、行くんです。緊張しているんです。別れたんです。This んです is what we will talk about in this video. What about this guy? He looks pretty upset. He looks stressed out. どうしたんですか? What's the matter? 成績が悪かったんです。成績が悪かったんです。My grade was bad. 成績が悪かったんです。How about this person? どうしたんですか? お腹が痛いんです。お腹が痛いんです。My stomach hurts. How about her? どうしたんですか? ホームシックなんです。ホームシックなんです。I'm homesick. そう、成績が悪かったんです。お腹が痛いんです。ホームシックなんです。These are some more examples of this んです。So what do we use んです to mean? So we can ask someone the question, どうしたんですか? What's the matter? What's wrong? This んです in our question, we use when we're seeking some kind of explanation or some kind of reason for why they look a certain way. So we usually, in this situation, usually some kind of situation is necessary to make us want to know what's going on. So maybe they seem unusually happy or unusually tense or unusually sad. So then we ask them, どうしたんですか? So it's not really something we ask randomly out of the blue. It's something we ask when we notice that there is something unusual about the way that they look or are acting right now. And we can give our reply using the same んです to show our explanations. So when we do this, we take the short form of a verb or an adjective or a noun plus んです. So I say the short form, but there's one thing that's different. For not adjectives and nouns, instead of saying da, we're going to say na. So for a verb, it's just the verb in whatever conjugation we have, plus んです. For an e-adjective, just the e-adjective in whatever conjugation we have, plus んです. For not adjectives and nouns, we have なんです. So once again, this is used in a situation where we are kind of asking a question, expecting some kind of explanation, and giving a reply that's supposed to be explaining what's going on. So the ndes shows a little bit of an explanation of the situation. So 明日から旅行に行くんです. It means I'm going to go on a trip starting tomorrow, but it has the implication, the kind of in parentheses, and that's why I'm so happy. Or 緊張しているんです. So it means literally like I'm nervous, but also has the implication that's why I look really tense or I'm acting really tense right now. 彼女と別れたんです. So it means I broke up with my girlfriend. The んです contains like the implication. That should explain why I look so upset. 成績が悪かったんです. Once again, it means my grade was bad. The implication with the んです is that I'm saying, and that's why I look so stressed out. お腹が痛いんです. So it literally means my stomach hurts. The implication is, and that's why I look like I'm in pain. ホームシックなんです. So the homesick, I am homesick. The んです is giving us the implication, and then that's why I look so sad. So んです we use to kind of show that the sentence that we're saying is some kind of explanation. So these sentences in the long form here on the right, here on the left, sorry, these are stating just a simple, straight up and down, just a regular fact. There's no extra meaning or implication behind them. They're just a straightforward sentence. So like, 明日から旅行に行きます. This is just a regular must form sentence. This doesn't really imply anything. We can't tell from this sentence anything about how I feel about the trip or anything like that. It's just a fact. 明日から旅行に行くんです. This gives us the hint that we're explaining something about our situation. So maybe I'm explaining why I look so happy. Maybe I'm explaining why I can't come to your party tomorrow. Whatever way, this 行くんです, the んです ending gives it the implication that it is an explanation for something. So this んです makes our statement an explanation rather than just a straightforward fact. We might also use it like in a situation, for example, where we're apologizing for something. So, for example, if my teacher asks me why I'm late, I might say, if I say like, バスが来ませんでした, the bus didn't come. That's just a fact that I dropped. But if I say, バスが来なかったんです, with the んです added, then it has the sense of explaining why I'm late and a little tone of like apologeticness to it. Like that gives you the explanation. Whereas without the んです, you're just making a straightforward statement about something. So again, we take the short form of a verb, the short form of an e-adjective in whatever conjugation that it is, plus んです. For a na-adjective or a noun, we have the adjective or noun with なんです.